Okay, good day everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'll be reviewing again another watch, and today the particular watch that I will be reviewing it is the Casio Edifice, and this was I recently bought here in the Philippines, in Manila. And the specific model of this watch is the EFV100D. It's a non-automatic movement watch, so it's a quartz movement watch, and it's quite cheap compared to the automatic ones, no? And the reason I also bought this watch because I watched several reviews about this piece, and I found out that there's a lot of positive comments or reviews regarding this watch. So let's see if those positive reviews are true, no? So let's open this watch. So let me put the outer box aside, and then this is the inner box of this watch, and at the bottom of it you can find the model number. So again, this is EFV100D, and upon opening this watch, so it still has a plastic in it, and then it has a small pillow. Ooh, this watch is beautiful. And then inside the box, so I may put in this side please, in this box. So when I bought this watch, I have it already repaired or removed, adjust to fit in my wrist. So I asked them to remove at least 6 links now. And then inside of this box you can also find the manuals, several manuals of watch, how to properly adjust and use the watch, and as well as the receipts and the warranty, and it comes with the receipts and warranty in it. Okay, so again, I bought this here in the Philippines in a market store. Okay, all right. And going to the watch, oh, nice looking watch. Let's see if I can zoom it. There's still a plastic in it. Yes, you may notice. Yeah, this is a plastic, so I'll be removing this. We'll just put aside the pillow. Nice watch. Okay, let me just remove these plastics to see better the watch. Oh, nice watch. Oh, okay. Can you see, guys? So it is a Japan movement, the CASIO Edifice. It has a date, no complication, no date, no day, only date, and I think it has a screw down crown, which is nice. And again, as I mentioned, I have this adjusted to fit on my wrist. So this has a steel case back, and it has Edifice CASIO written on it. Okay, going to the specs. I don't have my caliper right now, but I have the information that this watch measures 40 millimeter in diameter and 42 lug to lug width. Lug to lug meaning this end from this end, so it's 42, but the overall diameter is 40. And what else? So it has a lume minute hand and hour hand, and also lume on the hour marker. And it has a sign crown. Nice. Okay, so it, as I mentioned a while ago, it has a date display and mineral glass. And the what good thing in this watch is it has a solid steel, no, solid end links, solid links. And yeah, it has two adjusting options here, only two unfortunately. And yeah, and a screw down crown, which is good. And yep, it has a 3-year warranty, as I researched about this watch. 3 years battery life, not warranty, but 1-year warranty on parts. And yeah, it's a nice watch. It's value for the money. I only bought this for around 110 USD. Yeah, 110, around 120 US dollar here in the Philippines. And it has a water resistance of 100 meters, that is approximately or exactly 10 bars. And yes, I would probably wear this even it's raining or splash. Could be splash resistant, but I will not be using this, or this should not be used for deep diving probably, no? But this is sports watch. And yeah, I forgot to mention what is the size of the bracelet or the lug, no? I think it's around 20, but I am not sure. I will check and I'll probably mention this on my next review. So let's check on my wrist. It's quite okay. So this is how it looks. Nice. It has a sunburst dial, and black. There's another option for this. There's a lot of colors available to this model. I think it has blue, I saw blue, cream dial, which is white, but I would like this color. I like this color rather. I prefer this black. This is kinda sporty and classy as well. I can use this daily driver watch. And yeah, I can't wait to use it every day going to the office. And that's it. Thank you guys, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do so that I can upload more content on this channel, watch reviews. So again, thanks for watching.